Okay, so you get a little peek of the ocean out there. You can probably see that there. A sliver of the bay. That's gotta be pretty at night. Let's go ahead and go on in. So this does have new carpet, new paint inside and out. Wood burning fireplace. Do have the double pane windows on this. Really nice. So new carpet, new floors here. New wall heater. Here's your dining area. Pretty much open to the living room, as you can see. After dining, you've got the garage out that way. And here's your kitchen. A shot of that. Back to that. Let's check out your bedrooms. Got another wall heater there. Bedroom number 1 on your left. Looks out to the side yard. Again, on the carpet. Really nicely done. Alright, and then off the right side of the hallway, got a nice new bathroom. It's got all new fixtures on it, new floors. Got some tile all the way up to the ceiling, that looks good. Give you a little shot of that. So again, this home is 1,522 square feet. Living space. It was built in 1958. Bedroom number 2. You have 2 parking spaces out in front of what used to be the garage. And this one's paying a 2.5% buyer agent fee, just in case the MLSs start removing those. Thought I'd put that in there. All right, and then we've got this bedroom number 3, looking out to the backyard. Now let's go ahead and go to the family room converted garage area. I don't know the permit status on this. So this is a fairly big space. It's got a sliding glass door out to the front. Got tons of storage, both upper and lower storage. Open this up for you here. And that's pretty deep. And that's for your washer and dryer. Connections are to your laundries there. You've got electric and gas. And then you've got more storage up on top. And you've also got storage on this side. Closet space there. And then you've got a little wet bar area here for you as well. In case you make this into a man cave or a family room area. Oversized water heater, that looks to be pretty large. And then let's go out to the backyard, check it out. Here's where there's some extra value in this property. You've got a 6,610 square foot lot. So I'll put the link for the ADUs in the description on YouTube, and you'll be able to check out the ADU requirements and who to contact at the city of Seaside. So there's your side yard. That's pretty cool. You can actually see Highway 1 from here in the distance. So if you went up with this house, you might get an ocean view if you were to remodel and do a 2nd floor. Of course, check with the city planning, all that good stuff, and your contractor and architect to see what's possible. But pretty cool backyard. This is huge. It's got a Nice big area here. If allowed, you could put a pretty nice big ADU here. All right. Let's check out this upper level, see if we got any ocean views from up here. All right, so just looking out to see if we get a little peek of the Santa Cruz Mountains across the way. No direct ocean view, but this does tell me if you went up on the second floor, you most likely would get some possible ocean views on this one. What if you could put a two-story ADU? Is that possible? Let me know in the comments if you know. All right, hope you enjoyed that tour. Be sure to like and subscribe. We really appreciate when you do that. Let us know if you like this type of content or whatever else you would like to see. Thanks for visiting.